Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to yet another episode of VLOGTOBER. For those of you who don't know, my name is Mildred and I share content about makeup. I share motivational content and I am recently venturing into vlogs as well. So if you are interested in that kind of content, be sure to hit the red subscribe button below and as well as the notification bell. And if you enjoy the video, please leave a like for me down there and leave a comment in the comment section for me as well. As you can hear my voice, I am not doing so well. That's why this vlog is going to be so short and not as, I don't think it's going to be the same as my usual vlogs. Anyway, I just came here to open the vlog. Today is the day when I'm going to be uploading the vlog. I've been filming this past 2-3 days, but I don't think I introduced the vlog, and I just came here to say hi guys, I hope you're doing well, and just to introduce the vlog to you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, be sure to like the video, leave a comment for me in the comment section, and finally, if you are not subscribe to my channel already, make sure to hit the red subscribe button below as well as the notification bell to stay notified every time I upload a video. So let's get into this vlog. Hey guys, I am going to do a quick grocery haul right now. The baby is teething, so she's being a bit impossible, but I need to put the stuff away. So I got some frozen pizzas, coffee creamer, some Fanta, grape juice, grape and peach. I got some flour. I got a watermelon, red grapes, these are my favorites, a shower liner for the curtain, some scents for the house, a candle, this big butternut here, coffee creamer and yogurt, bananas and laundry detergent.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. Bitch stay balanced, keep it a beam. When they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what.
Hey guys, welcome to another day of this vlog. This is probably going to be day 2 of the vlog. I haven't been vlogging a lot this past week because I'm feeling a bit sick. I am kind of getting a flu. It's kind of coming and going, but yeah, I haven't been vlogging a lot. But today I need to clean. I'm in my spare bedroom right now and I'm going to clean this space. If I can finish this before the baby wakes up and probably do a little bit of organizing in my room as well, that would be perfect. But the agenda for today honestly is just to finish cleaning this room, then I will be good to go. I don't think I'm gonna take you guys along the cleaning journey because honestly I am just dragging myself. I don't feel like my best self, so having to deal with filming and cleaning at the same time is just going to take even more from me. So I will catch you guys later when I'm done cleaning this room. Hey guys, I am done cleaning the room. It took me the whole day to do something that I could have literally done in 2 hours, but with the baby needing my attention and me feeling sick, I just had to take it slow. So now I'm finally done here. I just need to make the bed and I think that will be it, and put in some clean sheets in the basket, and that will be it. I also managed to get a few things done in my room. I just need to put away a few things and vacuum the floor there, and I will be done with the cleaning. But I will do that tomorrow. It is currently 8 minutes to 6 in the evening, and I'm just going to relax for now. I will pick everything up tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then.
I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting up beans. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking ain't like that I mean. Baddest bitch, how you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. He he wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, niggas not breathing. I'm in a check, floating demons. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. Bitch on my body, I get.
So here's breakfast, you guys. I decided to make something a bit different today. So today I'm having grilled cheese, some plantain and french fries, homemade french fries. I wish I had made fat cakes, but I didn't, so maybe I should do that sometime soon. But yeah, here's breakfast for today. And I'm gonna have coffee and I'm gonna have tea as well. Hey guys, welcome to yet another vlog. As you can hear from my voice, I am not doing well. I have the flu. I have the flu, and honestly this week has just been too much for me. I'm not feeling well and I was home alone with the baby, so I couldn't vlog that much. I just have a few bits here and there, and it's not really, it's not a lot, but it's enough to make a vlog. So I just decided I should just go ahead and edit that and upload it tomorrow. Today is Thursday and tomorrow is Friday, which is the day I'm supposed to upload my vlog. I was supposed to upload a video on Monday, but that didn't happen because, like I said, I'm sick. And I was supposed to upload on Wednesday as well, but that didn't happen either. But tomorrow, Friday, I plan to upload this vlog. I don't know how long it's going to be. I don't know how interesting it's going to be, but I'm hoping you guys enjoy it. And obviously it would mean a lot to me if you would like the video. Leave a comment for me in the comment section. And finally, if you are not subscribed, hit the red subscription button as well as the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. And that is all I had to say for now. I am now going to make some lunch. I am not going to film that. It's just gonna be chicken and rice, and I don't have the energy to film, so I'm just going to quickly make that and call it a day. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Anyway, I also wanted to have a heart-to-heart with you guys, since this video is not going to be as long as I would like it to be. But yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys about why I haven't been doing vlogs. If you go back to my channel, you'll see that I've been doing videos since I was in college. I've been wanting to start vlogging for some time now, but if you can see, the walls of my apartment are a bit grayish, and that doesn't translate well on the camera. The video quality is just not great because of the painting on the walls. I think I use a Sony ZV-1 to film, and the quality is not as great as I would have thought it would be. And I would like to use natural lighting, but there's not a lot of that getting into the apartment. As you can see, this apartment doesn't get a lot of natural lighting because, one, we are on the ground floor, and two, we don't have a lot of windows. In the living room alone, we have that one big window back there. That's the only window we have. And we have one window in each bedroom as well. So that doesn't allow a lot of natural light to get into the building. And that doesn't allow me to create good content with just natural lighting. And if you know, with vlogs, you can't really stage your lighting everywhere, every day, all the time. So it is a bit hard to vlog. But yeah, I thought of waiting until we move to a different place, but then I'm like, I could just be vlogging right now. I've been looking at old videos of like big YouTubers. I saw Alia's Face old videos and Monet McMichael. They didn't have the best of spaces or equipment to film, but they still filmed and their videos did really well. So I'm just like, I'm not going to let gray walls stop me from filming. The second thing that discourages me from filming is I don't think I know the best filming settings. Many vloggers use the Sony ZV-1. I would say almost 80% of the South African vloggers who I watch use the Sony ZV-1, and their quality is top tier. It's like they are filming on a very different camera, and I'm just like, I probably am not using my camera the right way. because even when I'm using studio lights, my video quality is not as great as those creators quality. So I need to figure out the best settings for this camera, and then I just need to figure out what works for my skin tone, my apartment which is a bit dark, and I just need to figure out what would work for me and my filming setup. And I feel like once I figure that out, then maybe I can start producing better content for you guys. I usually don't talk this much, but I just have a lot to say today. I have a lot to get out of my chest. The third thing that I wanted to speak to you guys about is how my video quality is on television. I watched my last vlog on TV the other day, and I realized that the quality is poor. It's not the way it shows on my phone. Usually when I upload my vlogs, I go to watch a bit on my phone to see if the quality is what I expect it to be, and it looks great on my phone. But when I watched it on TV the other day, I realized that I've been uploading videos that don't look the way that they do on my phone. And I did a bit of research, and it said that it's because I'm not uploading my videos using the 4K mode thing on YouTube. So today I'm going to try to upload on 4K, and I'll see if it makes a difference, because even though my video quality is not great, it is not the same as the way it appears on TV as it is on my phone. So I'm just like, what's the difference there? So I'm just going to try to upload on 4K and then upload on 4K, and hopefully that improves my quality. What else do I need to say? I feel like that's all I had to say today. If I have anything else to say, I will do so in my next vlogs, but for now that is all I had for you guys. So I'm going to close off this vlog. I hope you enjoyed the video, even though it was a bit unorganized. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Obviously, make sure to like it, leave a comment for me in the comment section below, and finally, if you are not subscribed to my channel already, be sure to hit the red subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell, so you are notified every time I upload a video. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully I'll be feeling much better. And so until then, I'll see you guys.